Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video we will show you how to delete your YouTube watch history. So for that you will open your YouTube channel, then you will select the U. After that you will be select the setting bar which is on the top of your mobile screen. After that scroll down, select manage all history. After then scroll down, then select delete. Here you have three options, but if you want to delete all your history, then you should select delete all time. So continue, delete, got it. So it is the very easy method to delete your YouTube watch history. So thank you, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.